Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Bad Billy coming at you. Just wanted to run through a couple of items I picked up last couple of days. I picked up a SIG Romeo 4A red dot. This was a new without box acquisition off of eBay from a private seller. New, never been used, no box. So all the components that come with it, the key for tightening and adjusting, the two different bases, caps, manual. Thing works great. Very cool red dot. I was looking for something more middle of the road, not as inexpensive as a TRS 25, but not as much as an Aimpoint or an EOTech. I think this falls in the middle. Guntucky picked one of these up. Pretty sure he likes it. Read a lot of reviews and watched a lot of videos on it. It seems to be a quality piece, so I'm going to give it a try. Also got a package in the mail from my good friend, the No Patience Man. He sent me 3 boxes of CCI copper. He sent me those because I sent him another package, so it was kind of a trade deal. So I haven't been able to come up with any of these in my area. A couple of stops at Cabela's have turned up nothing, and I just haven't ordered any online when they've came about. I tried to peel one of the Cabela's labels off that they stick on the boxes, and as you can see, that's what you get, is you fuck the whole thing up. So that was pretty stupid, but whatever. I'll shoot that box and keep the other 2 for the collection. One other thing I picked up at Walmart tonight in the clearance aisle, a 3-port digital sprinkler timer. So came in at 10 bucks. There's the barcode on it there. Actually picked up 20 of these. Gonna flip them over. There's the tag on that. 20 of them at 10 bucks a piece. They're worth a little bit more than that. So you guys have a good night. Hope y'all are getting everything you need, and I will talk to you this weekend. I'm out.
Without your elbows right now. Got it now. While I'm loading that, I'll have to get 2 more cartridges ready.